Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people. How na day? Na good evening. Na good afternoon. Na good morning. Hope so na dey fine. Hope so na dey enjoy una self. My people. Na pele. Quick one. I want just talk little thing. I want talk to this our brother, two of them. Me I talk about Obaze with Dion, just little one, no insult, nothing, but just to make them understand, say two of them make them control their mouth. Una understand, because about wetin happen yesterday. Now yesterday I be one come out, but no. I dey get something where I dey do. So if I say me I can't do this one, they go just dark. So I don't want me I dey do audio for night. So my brothers and sisters, wetin happen yesterday, una don see I even carry am. Una understand. So when Dion say na about Obaze na destroy this big board wey do, I think last week, I be last 2 weeks. Say na about Obaze na destroy. My brothers and sisters, I want from here, because I not talk to Dion direct, but I just want me I just talk about these things. I know say Dion with about Obaze, no be say they they play like that. Una understand? Dem be cat and rat. You understand? Dem be cat and rat. Una see this thing wey I write for there, say control your mouth, make your mouth not go put you for problem. Dion know say not be a bad one. That one na normal thing. Dion know that one. Just because you know say ununa don't way ununa go see me this your mouth, you go follow and drag wetin you want talk come out for your mouth. May not go put you for problem. Also na they hear me, because I don't even know whether na they hear. Hello. May I check out for the other side, because I don't see comments. I don't know whether una they hear me. If una they hear me, may una tell me, may I continue, I beg. Before I go check out for the other side. The volume. Hello, my people, now they hear me? Just tell me yes, may I continue, I beg. Joy, good evening, my sister. I beg, now they hear? Now they hear me, now they see the comment. Okay, with the hear, thank you. So, you know, do we ununa agusi miene, ne muefiene. Because of waiting don't pass. Now understand? Because of waiting don't pass. Now make John talk say na Abat na do that thing. You understand? Because that time Abat felt talk say his wife Salu, he go destroy, he go do this one. You understand? So that time something really happened. Because if now you if I tell you say I go do you this thing, really that thing can't happen. The first person where I go say na do now you wait tell me. You understand? Now you wait tell me. Maybe na another person do am, but now you na talking from your mouth. Or see na now where ununa agun see me. Thank you. Now they hear. Now I make them say this your mouth. You know anything where you want talk. You dey control before you go talk and come out, because you don't know the person as you talk and you don't know another person where they there where go pick am. It go do one as you just talk am. You with the person where don't quarrel, they come say now wait till you talk come out for mouth. Now it happen. You understand? So Abba, please, control wetin dey come out for your mouth. You with Dion, una be bini. Dion na bini, you na bini. Dion they do your, you still they do your own. Because me I know say na so I go just bring Dion make I beat am no na because of wetin you talk come out for your mouth say you go destroy e dey everywhere say you go bring everything down na make Dion talk and say na you do am whereas Dion know say no be you do am even me I know say no be you do am because I even carry the rest this all these boards wey dem put for I no know which area dem for even destroy many ones many wey dem destroy dey for I see am for ITV news I even put am for my page because Dion know say no be you but as you come talk and come out Dion go come say na you na talk am so na you na do am you go say na you do am so about all these things man because I no understand two of una be cat and rat which is very bad Dion dey do something wey good I know say no be money but na people dey support am because people dem trust am na make dem dey support am so make two of una try una settle una self in a way where another person no come enter inside see you now you dey young the same age mate you with Dion dey but una dey fight una self so Dion wetin I wan tell you because I no just get I no even want me I even tell you for say me I call you private I don't want me I tell you for here for you because the video wey you do this morning I carry am no say na me dey carry your video other people still dey carry am I watch am now come say this thing wey Dion do me I no like am you understand I know say Abba don hurt you many times without say no be you go find am trouble just because you dey do your thing he no like wetin you dey do he say you be this you be that I know say na make you talk say na Abba do am okay but that video wey you do today wey you say make dem curse Abba you but you know say no be him do am na pepper body make you do am but one thing when you talk for there say that is you no wan support Obaseki again you are free you understand you free to follow who you like me na nobody tell me say they defend Dion or if anybody calls Dion make you come and come do am no na wetin I choose you understand na wetin I choose say I like wetin you dey do na make me still dey follow you I go try to dey know anybody wey go there wey wan insult you I go still come and say why you go do this thing no be Abba do am you understand if person wan do no be Abba do am you understand no be say na Abba do am because many wey dem even destroy dey there una go watch I put am for my page I see am for ITV I put am you understand if Abba wan do something no come talk am come and say because that Abba one na dey say no be say na bad person e just say e get mouth na person we I no know as I take talk am because no be he do am many people dey there okay those people wey still go Oba Palace yesterday wey dem beat okay dem come say na Abba still say make dem go beat dem no you understand so all these things make we try to understand say especially Dion which good Dion dey do which good one the good one wey dey do the good one wey dey do even though say na stop no even though say no be for a pocket e dey bring am come out na people trust am you understand people na trust am dey say okay may I send this money and e go really do am other one na good thing no be good thing na good thing na for me na good thing if I say make you do something you do am for me na good thing if for you no be good thing na you know but for me na something wey good people trust you they follow you then they do wetin that is na your dream so then they follow you you understand so now because of this person wey ask me say which good work Dion dey do Dion first don start this work tey don start am so e come say make people come join am that one na another thing so so my brother Dion for you to say you no wan support Obaseki again because of say you with Abba get misunderstanding my brother that one that means e no fit dey your mind you understand na so me I dey talk my thing o yan wey abo ma dey ayawe mi emi no ro ma ri ona you understand so na emi no ro ma ri ona because as you come talk am now e go come be like say e no fit dey your mind make you fit even support Obaseki you just bad talk am say I wan support am you understand so all these things because of you say you with Abba dey get misunderstanding no dey do that kind thing no good if you wan stand for person stand for am nothing dey happen like me now I dey see many people dey tell me say why you dey join Dion why you dey na wetin I like you no fit come tell me say me I comot for there you understand because e never reach a month now where you say you want support Obaseki but because of wetin happen now we all know say no be Abba do am we all know because Abba time won know but no be go do that thing he talk and say go bring am down. People wey hear am, they true go do am. They go say, hey, make two of them dey fight. And how bad make you try to understand, say, this time no be the time to fight. This time no be the time to fight at all. Especially you wey be politician. No be the time to fight anybody because they want make una dey fight. So therefore, people wey una wan bring come out, especially Dion, many people dey follow Dion. They no come again, come vote for Obaseki. So how about me you still use your sense? Use your sense, This time no be time to dey fight at all. More na face as you say, because I like the way you say they do something about that is what you do for Obaseki now. I like am because I even talk and say after that I can't talk am because I like person wey go dey follow person they go even though say they go inside that is they follow you the time wey they sweet when no come still dey sweet it come still dey follow you. I like that person because I like the way you say they follow Obaseki they go even with the time we come on for APC you go PD you still they follow and they go even the time when they say no get ticket the time when not say no get this one you still they follow and they go. So try to understand say may you leave Dion alone. You understand that? But I not come here come curse you. I not come here come curse you. Now that one now they talk so because September before you know it go just come because you with Dion one not come they fight on yourself. Don't be that one. If you really love Obaseki, you want me Obaseki win. Even though say Dion even talk to you, say you not talk to her. You not go talk to her because you know where you they go. Because me not gonna do something where I don't because of her but Obaze I don't want to do this one. Many people they like that. You know, say many people they go you go say because of say that one they there, so I not go give my vote to that person, which is very bad. This time around, more na love on herself. And I know say me I not there for anyone. Win. If na Obaseki win no good, if na the other side the win no good, anyone where God say na go win, not be we were there here now we can't talk am. So Dionosage, please my brother, you know say I love what you they do well. Anybody where you say you want support, just go straight to the point, not bend, not because of her bad you can't say no I know they do again because now bad pursue you. How bad you more bomber when no ya pursue well. It's more about of yesterday now I can pursue you enters. Not be bad go say I pursue you come on for them, may you not come join, may you not support Obaseki again. Now be say you not fair there your mind because as you take talk today, now be say not there your mind really. Now my I just open my mind say they talk to you so. I just open my mind to talk to you. Everything where we need now. If you know say you want support Obaseki, go ahead, go support am. No look say because of Abba they are not go support am. No. Not be Abat na be Godwin Obaseki. Not be Godwin Obaseki na be Abat. They are two different people na they be. So Genocide, if you need say you want support Obaseki, write down. I know they tell waiting another thing where you still they tell all those women where they come, you tell them say you will tell them say make now you want tell them who they want vote for. Not be so my brother. You know say not be you go tell them waiting who they want vote for. You don't fit tell them say wanna vote for this side. Then fit read them and they'll go turn the card, go vote for another person. But what we need now, we need peace because if you can't tell them, say, Mona, last 2 weeks, say that Mona vote for Obaseki. Okay, this week now you can't tell them, say, Mona not vote again. I will tell them who I want vote for. It's not good. Which one be small about? Which one be small about me? I know want me even reply. Make me I know they even look comment. May we forget about that one. If I say small about, I know what I mean. About over your hand no be bonnet. So even Dion na still over your hand with Kenije. So make two of them, make the two of them, make they not come they fight themselves. So this election what will they do? So then what make two of them more na quarrel because people say no, so na be cat and rat. So they'll come put fire more. So about control what you they talk come out for mat. Control not be say anybody talk to Godwin Obaseki you just run come out, especially if Dion just talk anything about Governor Obaseki you are rulere go come do this one, you be 419, you be this one, you be that one. All this thing ended up by making sense. All those things are making sense. We all they see what they go on for the office for that foundation. We they see what they go on. At least still use one day, still come and say, Dion, what your people they do. If you don't want to say Dion, I do what your people they do. We appreciate, we they love and we they like. Well, they now not to dey insult that boy, dey destroy people. Maybe people there will be one come really come help all those people for there. But you know, say some people, if they hear wetin person dey talk come out, they go say maybe not true, that boy maybe not really 419, maybe not really this one, maybe not really this one. You understand? So make no be, we don't need all those one, we don't need all those things one of the talk come out. At least just still dey try, you still dey try for your own side, because you dey try for Oba. Now make me talk, you dey try for the Obaseki. I dey see wetin una dey do, I dey watch, and when we get eyes, as we take dey run follow Obaseki, because you like the way we take dey do something, you carry am for head. Now so some people still dey like me now, me I still like wetin Dion dey do, I still carry am. So Dion, I beg, I just beg you, not just enter inside la wo I not say make you not talk about all this politician or something like that. Not come use and say enter inside your foundation. Take am out. Take am out. It dey pain. Say wetin you use money to do, then destroy am. It dey pain. Nobody not go pay. But not be saying na bad na go do am. You understand? Because we see many things wey happen. That the very day, I think na yesterday, where they go Oba Palace, we see many people where they even beat, where they injure them, where they even many dey there. Not be Abba send them go. You understand? Because I know say Abba to know a mother so. Because when you go, any something will come out for your mouth, will come use that against you if really say that thing can really happen. You understand? So this will not be the first time, because you first talk about a wife store, it really happened. So as you still talk this one, it really happened. Let me just say now you do one. Let me just say now you do one, because now so you first still do that one, because everybody knows say not be you. Everybody knows say not be you. You not go there, because if you want to do something, you know come they carry this to me, come they shout for social media. So I go do this one, so I go do that. You not go do one. So how about you with your brother genocide game? Mona try, mona make peace. Mona make peace. Me everybody na cook beni no get le aru well. We all na Bini. We be Bini. We want wetin go good for the country. Now we want. Not be say this one go come go use material cause this one go do this one, because all these things. Ma eme ke no si agboro, eme ke no si oma rock bari, au si oma giye ke, si oma wo da o. How we Bini we gonna fight ourselves, which is very bad. So Dion, please, la wo carry your foundation, come on for inside all these things. Because if then they insult you, they'll come they insult all the members where they inside. You know. They'll come they insult everybody where they inside, where they support you, which is very bad. Because if Abat won't come out, now not go insult only you. He go put everybody where they inside. He go put them where they don't even know one or two. They go put them for inside. So more na control na mouth, more na control na mouth. Dion, control your mouth. At least travel is a part of education. Where they control and where the Taladian will not say na bad na do this one. I know say it talks and it go do one, but not being doing, because for your mind you know say not being doing. You know that one. Just for that pepper body, no yakata any. Now make you can say now you do one, now you really do one. So about where they move for very only. If Dion say you want support Obaseki, not when they come and say we don't need you, because you know be you go tell now you want support. We don't need you. Carry your 419 go carry. No, not be you go talk am. If you support anybody way like. So please, my brothers and sisters, now ne ya man no ye huere na me dey. So may we see at this September go be no say we are way there for this. We know they go Nigeria go vote. Now while we all they talk our for here, then we will tell people where they have say mona go vote for this person. Now we dey. So about no they do all this. You know say people way many way love what John they do. There many where I know say not be everybody go like Obaseki. Not be everybody go still like Isaiah Yamu. So who win? He go win. Oma no say about one hand win. All hand win. So not be all this one we come dey fight ourselves. Do this one, and so I go do this one. About I just beg you in the name of God, Not just come out again. Come dey talk say Dion, you do this one, you do. Face wetin you want do. If you really love Obaseki, September before you know it don't come, Before you know it don't come here. Just the campaign, just dey do wetin you want do. Forget about wetin Dion want do, wetin Dion no want do. And Dion, may you face your foundation. Please, la wo. Oma no vote na giare howe. Oma no vote na giare howe. Now your mind na dey. So all this one wanna come dey fight on herself. All the other people then go they laugh because they see them. Because say Dion be saying na APC, now I can't go PDP. And now Abat don dey fight am. They come dey laugh una. Abat me use what I still use no sense now. And na so they talk say na scam. I mean I love her for that one. Me am not scamming. That kind of people now we like now. Where they scam, go they do for the poor. It good now. Anyhow where they talk, it good. So Dion, please face your foundation. Face am. Make them not go they cause people way they side. You know now. It no good. No, because not be everybody they like and they'll come say if they want to go say God send people. They not say only you want, but they'll just put everything together. Try to understand. May you still, because if you will be the head, you know respect people where they follow you, they go. Who go come be Abat when no handle respect in because of this election where they come, because of this waiting call. I beg my brothers and sisters, just come here, just talk this small one. Dion, please. If you really love your Edo people, if you really love people where they support you, I beg. Anything will be Abat, forget am la wo. Yes, Abat talk and say. Yes, now they talk so mommy, now they talk so because he talk and say go bring a store down. That's a Winifred store. Something really happen. You understand? Because you have to control your mouth. Because people did their way not like me too often now. May Abat with genocide, make them they play. Because when you talk, another person, oh yeah, where you will care. When you don't, and now you talk, but now you know, say sometimes now when you with person they quarrel, the person go say, come better. That's your car where you get, I go put fire. If they break, fire enter your car. Who you want go home? Not the person who talking for mouth. Now person who talking for mouth, then you say, now you do so. I understand. But we all know say not be Abat because not be only that one then destroy many ones where they should even show for ITV then show. You understand? So make peace reign, Make peace reign. Abat follow Governor Obaseki campaign. Not go destroy a campaign, So Dion, make you even take control about your foundation. Not go destroy waiting people. You know, if you can't do all this, people go they'll come I don't know as I take talking. Because of you, I do a few begging, which is bad. So my brothers and sisters, no want me I take on time too much. Wish Edo people, Dion love na fake. I beg. I don't want Sabrina White. I don't even understand. Yeah, because now that one, because I battle her cannot control no. You understand? Because the way we say they talk, I don't know. But anyway, you know, say some people get the way. Obaseki is not going to anywhere. Anybody way like him win, not because of that one we come to insult ourselves. You know, understand? Because like me, now if you ask me, say who you they campaign for, I will tell you, so anyone way come, not we answer to the winning good. Now I know of course because of that one, because of say me I did for Obaseki side, I come they cause the other one. Me with go they fight. What it concern me? What it concern me? Because of say you lock that one, you like that one, me I not like. They not kind of see me with you, not forget misunderstanding. Abat remain the best. Abat na good person because not be saying a bad person. Just make control him mouth. That's all. Make control him mouth because when you tell me, no, not go talk waiting heavy. This one now it talk and it really happen. It talk and it happen. It still talk that the other one that time it still happen. So all these things is very bad. Two of them they young. Why don't they fight themselves? Why don't they fight themselves? Which is very bad. Tomorrow you go here say John go right and come and say about Obaze lazy name dey for Amagba. All these things, you know good. You go see here Abat go say come out. We don't need you for PDP or we don't need you for APC. Now you get anywhere where they like them go. God remember say APC or Kariaje come out for there go PDP. Now so they do you anywhere where you like you go. So please Abat. All these things may just die like that. May die like that. Dion, please, my brother, please, if you love your foundation, face am, face your foundation. People wey wan bring you down, no be yourself. Now about or Tyler Diana, you know many people wey dey back, wey no dey talk come and beg. Wetin they don say, wetin they go do you. So now what is politics of a thing? Comot yourself for inside, because you no be politician. Even though say tomorrow you can't be, but try to, you understand, try to maintain. Because all this have a now, all this one, they know how they do themselves. So my brothers and sisters, just a little one, make Genocide rest for Obaseki matter. Make her back carry make her back carry Obaseki go. Obaseki no even know whether, you know, say many people they where they campaign for Obaseki. It's just that Abbas just carrying like say tomorrow not day. Not be so. Because Dion don't pass that Dion don't pass that level. Sometimes you get waiting you go say no, I not get time for all this one. Like as you see yesterday, you know say no be Abba do. No need to come and say Abba see what you do. Everybody know say no be everybody know. Just that you no need with that song. Yeah, where you care. Abba talk and it really happen. I beg Sabrina, why Genocide get be the problem for? I beg, forget that thing. Forget that thing. How Dion go be problem where we get for how Dion go be that? Forget that thing. Wetin Dion they do? Me still dey talk. I go say wetin Dion they do. I know say people na dey back, but on another egbe la Dion. Only people trust her now. How Dion go be the problem? Now you not see wetin they as they send money go they give and now so it true they use and I go be the problem. Which problem? I bet if you not dey see something, the man still they talk. I know say Dion, not be everybody go like a character. But not look a character. Look wetin they do. Look wetin they do. Wetin people they tell and say, take this money or take and take carry this person go hospital. Take and take do this one. If they do one, what they are time attack, but so. What we are time attack. People don't say Dion no fit be problem of Edo State. Who talk that one beg? If now they talk that thing, I not like better thing for that country. And many people where that boy don't help. That is, if as when I say they talk now, say not being the helper. Now people, but now people ain't gather because some easy now ya gather man. It's not easy. It's not easy to gather people. It's not easy. Not many people they follow and say we must do this one, we must do this one. So my brothers and sisters, I'm not talk and say now Dion be the problem. We know people will be the problem of Edo State. We know them, so not be Dion. Forget that thing. So my brothers and sisters, anybody wanna like, wanna vote for anybody wanna like. If now because if they say about all this Obaseki with waiting the color is there Yamu. If they say they can't do it for social media, who go win? Now be Obaseki. Then as me say they see I know they here come to say na he must win. But as people say the Obaseki must come back. You know all these things. So all these things, mona forget about Obaze wela wo. Obaseki obiera now your governor, as he be your governor, now so it be my own, now so be your down one. Oh, so not just come right and put for say if another person want join, you go say no, you must not join. No, not be so, not be so, yo. Anybody wey person like you go vote for. If I feel decide say I don't want Obaseki again, I want go vote for the other side. Or I feel say no, I want Obaseki. Only way na big bomb about where you just say Dion because now you first started this thing. Where Dion say you want go Obaseki side. You say why you go come? We don't need you. How you say how you talk that one? You will keep quiet. I want not on lele. I know from mama day. So all this Gbowi we may stop, may stop. I use God say beg about with Genocide. Mona try, Mona leave Obaseki alone. People wey don't like am because when I come the fight when I say APC go they happy because we about where they want. You will be politician. You don't know say they want more to make you with Genocide. Mona they fight. Nezo was one. Still use your sense now. People then that way they happy go say make them they fight. When you can buy and you way they will now come they fight. The campaign one na son one campaign now no campaign again. Before you know it, we go this September. So my brothers and sisters, anybody wanna one vote for, more na vote for the person. No look her back, say because her back, I not like her back, I not vote for Obaseki. No, her back not be Obaseki. Obaseki is Obaseki. So my brothers and sisters, I greet everybody from Untouchable. Mama, remain blessed. I don't want to take on time too much. Mama, you are great. Thank you so much. Thank you, my sister. Thank you. So that's why I still and rich, So bye bye. We still talk next time, where we can talk about who go really win for this election where they come. So, so bye bye. I greet everybody. I see comments. Now do well. Basically, I've done nothing in Benin. Some people say not do. Why some people say it do? You know understand because everybody don't wear. I say ti wa we mi no wa je agbonya olowo ni a. Some people say talk and say no do, no light, no good road, no this one. Now some people they talk, they said it not do. Why some people will come out they say it do? So you know waiting like me now. Me I not come talk say it do, it not do. People wait their house now they see all these things. We wait there here. Now time in my worry, okay, you know, now that one, I know say like no day. Whether now Obaseki na supposed to put on, whether not be, I don't know. I know because me, I know too much they go inside all these things. Whether now Obaseki na supposed to put on, whether now Buhari I don't know. So now that one, Obaseki do something, he not do. But some people they talk we even they see something where he don't still do. So my brothers and sisters, why give my agbele manjo? Why give my honjo ye because I mean any ma wa gbele gbe manji our mo here for nothing. Okay, what you do now? Okay. No problem, my brothers and sisters. May I leave una mona still go now. Mona go do nothing. So I don't talk my own, just a little one. So now just a little one, just to tell them, say make they control wetin they come out for their mouth. You understand because all these things when you can't talk and you say it tie any man well. You don't talk but another person don't pick am. You go use and take do something. Now do I attack where they'll come say now you they do. I was in Benin last year. I did not waiting. I did not see anything that the governor do. Anyway, my sister Mary. I no fit talk, you understand? And I saw some people talk, go say Oshomole better pass. You know agbon tayo tare that's all. Agbon tayo tare. If you do, they'll say, what you do? You not do anything. If you not do at all, they'll say, now you do pass. So all these things, they ogbe yogbere, ogbe yogbere. So may God bring the right person. I mean, they talk. I am not after waiting. Abi. Now so my brothers and sisters, who know agbon tayo tare, if you do, they'll say you not do. If you not do at all, they'll say now you do and pass. So all these things, maybe they watch. It's Obaseki is not coming back. Maybe they watch. Before you know, September don't come. Who go win? Make it win. So now wetin we go dey pray for? Who God knows, the one way God knows say no, na him better pass. May he bring am come. Na him be that one. My brothers and sisters, beg, Mona help me share this audio. May he reach Shabbat and so may he try to dey control wetin dey talk come out for him mouth. Near ya mu go baneka. May he try to dey control am. Because if it happen, then go ask you question. Because if John say one go, like that time now where you go report. Who you go report now? You understand? Because now water my where you must do this one. It can't really happen. So genocide face your foundation, my brother. Please, Sabati. Anybody where you want support, may you go support. If you still decide say you don't want support Obaseki again. Now your choice. I might choose the normal. If I know for mama day, if you say you want to follow Ize Yamo, now your choice. Nobody will tell you so you must go this side. So family, you know say now the good thing now you they do. Choose where. Una not talk the truth. Which truth you say make I can't talk now? Tell me now. Sabrina, which truth you say make I talk? Me, I live on self. I no fit talk. Okay, you say because I be member, I not talk the truth. Which truth you say make I talk? Okay, me I talk say Dion a bad person. Then Abat na good person. Two of them, they be I no understand you. Eh? Wetin me I talk, so wetin me I talk, so I believe say na the right thing. I not join Dion, I not join Abat because Abat really talk am. Abi you no hear for the video wey do say he go bring everything down. But Dion no say no be Abat do am. Abi you say me I come tell Dion say me go arrest am. Huh? So which truth you say me I come talk? You no see if anything happen to if anything happen to Dion because Abat to know him you understand because all these things wey person go dey talk you go dey talk am you go say you don talk am if really something na this one me I dey talk so mama na this thing me I dey talk if you tell me something wey me with you get misunderstanding the thing come really happen who I go say na him cause am na you wey talk am na so na make me so say make dem dey control their man because Abat talk am e never reach 2 weeks the something really happen na so because more I control no na onye unu na go see me any wa tell aja because if e come happen another person go do am e go dem come say na you na talk am come na you na do am na so na for if something happen to you or you go Ogbalegbe place you go ask you say which you with person get misunderstanding you go say yes na this person na that person na dem go first go ask question say see so na you dem suspect before dem go ask another person so wagaye ya we Obaseki we lost because of Abat. Obaseki we lost because of Abat. No, anyway, because you know say some people I don't know because some people believe say Abat they block many things for Obaseki. Because of this one wey happen so draw say he go withdraw but you not do am because if you really say you want vote for Obaseki no be say you want vote for Abat Obaze and na that one me I dey talk if you say you want give me something and you with my friend no dey play you come say because of my friend wey you with no dey play you no give me that means e no fair dey your mind make you do am na so me I dey talk my thing so Abat na Abat Obaseki na Obaseki even maybe you go look am na maybe God will not Obaseki e no even dey look Abat like that abeg no me I no come block you for here Sabrina White abeg this your comment wey you put for here comot am you say Dion is evil comot am abeg me I no block you because you no come my platform come dey insult Dion you know Omaegba comot am me I no block you I'll go rewatch am if I see am I go block you comot am no insult anybody for here no insult you no come my platform you come dey insult Dion no Omaegba nia go comot am me I no block you I no dey like that nonsense if two person dey quarrel try to tell them say make dem control theirself make dem rest for the matter I know say this thing no go dem no go rest because dem be cat and rat but Dion suppose to dey use him brain since you even carry kpabe donine because travel is a part of education you still use your brain say okay this thing I know say you want provoke me you understand so my brothers and sisters me I comot for them Sabrina I think na Sabrina White go remove that your comment remove am if you no like Dion you fit dey talk am for your platform no come dey put am for my ear come dey write say Dion na evil if na evil wetin do you and this thing all this thing now I no like wey many people dey do me with you we never get misunderstanding you come dey curse me just because of say I dey support another person if you go look am now you wey still write this thing now you be Benin I no know which evil you do I no know the way una take dey do something if you no like that person but not just talk say na evil na so this one you just wetin do you wana wa hate ese very yoni amagbo omoju hai We see the talk truth. And you know what I not like for waiting with the Bini. Me I talk and some of us, not be all. Some of us will be Bini. If you see say person they do something where you not fit do, they praise their here. I know some you just the praise every day. When you still come and say, I don't know what they will wear, and I just like and God bless you. Oh, that who I am will know. It go the heavy then as they want to talk am because they don't want to tell you. They go say what you do when another person never do before, which is bad. You know, say you know if it do am. Then they insult Abato, who they insult Abatobaze. Abatobaze now go they find trouble they go now. Don't tell us, don't talk and say, what is that they call you? May I reply you? What of the people? What of the one when they call Abatobaze? Oh, don't say you want to support God will not Baseki. Why can Abat where what you concern Abat for inside? We can't talk say we not need you. We not need you. You be Abuna not watching. I say watch out. I don't even talk. Because I see so many people even talk about talk to about say no be you get Obaseki. I don't even talk about that matter. I just leave it like that. Say since many people don't still talk about, I don't want to talk. I don't want to put my I beg. If person do when you see what they are time, what they take no they even though say you not like can, you go still talk the one way. I go block her. If you not remove her, I go block her. Trust me. I'll go find her, I'll go block her. Make sure say you remove that. Make you remove her. If person still do good, you go. I talk her just now say about the way do I like her. I not talk her. Maybe you not here. Say the way we say follow Obaseki. Me I dey like people like that too. I talk her. Say the way we say follow Obaseki. I even those way they say not get ticket. As it if follow her, ona ya see here, ona ya lele here. I dey like people like that. Some of our many people they just see something way good. They go see and say that thing is good though. They go say no good. They go say no good. Not the way you go do. When they go tell you say because they don't hate you, they don't like you at all. They go say the one way you do, they not like her. Now the one where the other one will not be beneath do na good pass. Now the same thing, now the same thing they do, which is very bad. What they are telling her? At least I bet you have la Dion have do tien Dion where Dion what you do for this woman where get what they call now now see what the operation what they do now. I bet you now be la Dion if I bet you come and say my brother John say you know say me with you na cataract but this thing where you do where I see today I praise you God bless you with your member. I dey gba one buy you have to say the truth. As me still talk now say I bet what you do for Obaseki say I like her. Una know say me dey fire our bad before now. But if I see say you still dey do good, I'll still tell you. I dey mean your pa wait una go see say Dion do well una go talk say good. I'm not know insult. Me feel insult them, but not be una for them. Because me I not even insult anybody now self. Now just come out. At least Mona still talk. If I still come and say, Dion, what you do? I like her. God bless you. All these people, this woman will not get money before. See what you go still talk. And they were okay, good. We beg, but Abba never see anything where Dion do way good though. Even though say you not say Dion self, say the members. What did they do? You they like her. We get praising. Who we get praising? That one not be bad thing now. You they give me more encouragement. You they give me. So my brothers and sisters, all these things, if I hear they see and something, I'll say, oh God, why I can't be Bini? It's just that I too love them, man. But stop to defy Dion. Sometimes see they talk what they do, where it's still good. You don't want praise Dion. Praise the people where they bring the money, so now God will bless you. Am easy? Sometimes when you defy 50 euro for years, you know, see. You go see praise them, so now do well for our brother and people where they back, now see they support them, now do well. Even though say you not praise Dion, praise the people. Not be say you just come and you can't insult everybody where they for them, it's not good. Because of the Dion do you something. And Dion, may you allow what I beg you. May you not let all these things they happen again. Forget about that bat. Forget about that. May you face what you they do. So my brothers and sisters, me I live on a go do what I want to do, and that's why I just talk and reach. So I pray may everything just stop like this, because two of them, especially about wey say he be politician, try to know say they wan push you. Even though say Dion even talk say na you do this one, na you do this one, you no even come and come, you say I no do, finish. I no do, God know my mind say I no do, finish. Then you face what you dey campaign for. Because when we make Dion you own that campaign, ori mi or Yahweh. Try to understand. Nothing go happen to Dion. Nothing go happen to am. Nothing. We don't buy it so no that Dion. Oh, that one don't settle. You know, nothing go happen to them. Just that they know they control the amount. About a control no or a termine na ya where your then we call it. Many people call it say na really do. No, try to control your mouth so nothing they happen to Dion at all. And you where all those people where Dion where they come on the office where they pray for and nothing go happen to them at all. So my brothers and sisters, so I believe say before all this one come, so they come the quarrel, curse each other. About for supposed to call Dion, say Dion, you know what here with this work what they do, we like and we love us. May we join hand together, may we take make a do great. Since I they support Obaseki, how you see? No, but now so fight. May you not come. You know how many people they follow Dion. So my brothers and sisters, so me I just forget. Sylvia Lawo abeg about not be there. Oh, one of they put all these bad comments. If you don't like her bad, good. No come they insult her for you. When they do all these things. You na even though say you love Dion, but not come they insult her like that. You know good because we all know say now about start this thing. You understand? Now he start her because like say not talk and say he go do this one. If or not as it can't happen now. I must more away. But me, I know say no be you do. So my brothers and sisters. Now what for you? Wetin I know why you call your name self. When are they say Dion na 419? Mona tell me. Mona just tell me. You were right answer because I no wan call your name. You say Dion na 419. Wetin do? Wait 419. Wetin be the meaning of 419? Wetin happen? About the thing say na get Benin. Money foundation. Abeg me I leave you, I no fit talk. Like say now say people where they donate the money say they cry say wetin they say make Dion use am take do, not they use am do. If you they talk that one go, they say okay you are right. You understand? But as you come they talk and now foundation dey where not they need money. No foundation where not they need money. No foundation where not they need money. Say money foundation. I beg. I don't know. I beg me. I no want me. They recommend. Need answer wa. Make una help us settle Dion and Abba. They will settle their self. Dion and that kind, you know. I believe say Dion. No say if you they follow Dion a person will get good mind. Even the Abbats, they fed down. You know, just I don't know what they do two of them. No say their blood still they hot. Dion not be person wey get there. Just that I don't know as I take talk when the two of them just they chop their self. Why was you kugbe? If really son one join Obaseki, why si you kugbe? Now Agbon Yamona may we come vote or may we come vote for Obaseki because as I talked before, if you can't ask, if we just say for social media may we come vote, now Obaseki na go win this thing. That is for social media or now they talk. For social media. At least, how about you still know say Dion still get level well for social media. Dion, how you see this? You forget about me and you as we did it, we be cat and rat. May we join hands together. Oh no Maguire Tony. Not come here, not come they do this one, not all this thing, all this thing, not they make sense. One account come out now, come the person say they extort money. The money where they extort, you they see what they use and they do. Sometimes the people they talk say Dion and Dion, I'll just look and say, they home and no and egbe. Person where they hungry. When you open eye where say I want chop this one, want chop this one, want eat this one, want eat this one, they still they know am through the eye. You all know if you just see the person, you just know am. You just know am say this person omo am and gbanahin. Now once then you tell know am. Abeg na so bo. Oh, wetin they call am? Abeg me I leave una more dey go because all these things e no go finish for today. Lie, but I believe say Dion go understand say may e stay in lane, may leave her bat alone. Maybe one day they'll still settle, no? And they take settle before. And they'll stay settle before. May I leave una. Anyway, na good night. Na bye bye. May I leave una, may una dey go. I know what me and the some comments just dey here. We are what here. This one to go there. Na so na. John a good person, that's all. Because you know, so if you tell person something, the something can happen. Walk come on with be. Walk come on with be. Na Dion do. Na Dion do. Before even though say never see the rest things where people, because all these people will go about palace, they're many, because they not even get, they want to destroy everything, anything where Obaseki did, they want to destroy them. Me I no go where. Now what for now? See some comments, some of our Benin people are evil. Some of them, they're not good. Yeah, me no mind ma. Yeah, me no mind ma. But they'll not say that thing good though. They'll say no good. That's what they do. It's not good. Okay, you dey enjoy my talk. No good. Sure, I hope you say you don't delete what you write. You dey enjoy my talk. I don't talk and reach today. I get other thing to do. I pray make them settle themselves. Make them know say, because if Obaze really love Obaseki, make a problem, you know they make problem. Make a problem. Not before now, safe. No, they make problem because people they will really say, I want because of because of Dion, they follow her, I want to go. Never go. When you say make I go talk again now. Some comment there. I know the one me and they see some comment. If I just see some comment, I'll say, oh God, what it be this one? Especially if they just hear about Dion. It's not good. Wagimami at time after. It's good, maybe we still they talk truth. Me, I know that because of say the character for Dion, that make me they say, oh Dion. No, now because of what they do right from time they talk. Now because of what they do, I know if he do am. And if they give her money, say do this thing, you go really do am. Okay, I go do am. Okay, I will delete am first, yeah, because you understand, you go really do am. Now that kind of thing, e good now. You know, say some people they you send a message for they no go do am for you. You go off their phone. You no go hear again. What you say make you do? No, anyway. So at least if Abba still come out, on a praise Dion. I have a one year. Or you know, now your brother go say, my brother, what you do? Today I see the video and the thing just. I really love her. I just say, so Dion, you try well for this. All the time, I go by it. If you see the truth, when you still talk, or we fuck up with a time, we fuck up with a side now. That's what it's supposed to be. But maybe not just the talk, say, because I never see one video where Abba do lawyer president. Oh, no, you know they do anything. You they collect money. You they do this one. You they don't want money, You know good, So but if me still come out tomorrow now, can say, Mona come vote for Obaseki, Obaseki must win. You go say you not need me. Not be so, because I know they do it for you. I go even continue the do it because I know they do it for you and they do it for person where you understand, because now that one I mean like You no fit stop me. Now that thing that make me vex for John today say, how about it stop you? When how about they stop you? That means say no fair day your mind. You understand? That make me say, okay, I want to do this audio. How about no fit stop you say, may you not vote for Obaseki? You Obaseki, I not being be Obaseki. You now about Obaseki, that one na Governor Obaseki. When we were supporter, maybe supporter. Now so it's supposed to be. So my people, I don't know whether the wow. I not ni why away. Me, I just forget. You don't do like that. I know why me I call the look comment, me I call the reply. Una good night now, na bye bye. Don't do like that, Na bye bye. Good night, good night. I know say about now your personal person, Sabrina, why? Because I don't see all your comments. About is my is my next person. About not be bad person. I don't know how, but I don't know her like that, but I know say na your personal person because then when you attack Dion, see, I dey see the comment, which is very bad. May you still tell about say, about this is my brother, this our brother still dey try, but you dey even dey see am now. Sabrina White, now you are the talk to so you dey see am now because you no fit talk say you no dey see am, you dey see am. So na bye bye, na goodbye. Greet everybody.